Hi guys, and thank you for joining us today. By the time that this video has been posted, this YouTube channel would already be 2 months old. Yay! We reached 2 months old. But the time has come for me to move on to a new apartment. Yes, so the next few days, the next few weeks will be very hectic for us because our list is already up in this place and we found a new apartment and we will be moving in the next few days. So all of the setup that I have here, I need to take down and to make sure that we'll be able to move properly to our new place. But don't you worry guys, I have already scheduled some videos for the next few weeks, so we will be able to stick to our weekly schedule of video release. This past 2 months of YouTube journey has been very enlightening for me. When I first started, and I remember when I first posted my first YouTube video, that was around February 7, if I'm not mistaken. Okay guys, so as you can see, here's our monitor. It's currently now hooked up with our PS5, but later on we will put this with our PC back there. But as you can see, the screen is very nice. I did not really think that I will be doing this and I will be having a lot of fun with it. I just did it because I wanted to journal my journey in building a PC after not doing so for more than 20 years. But as it turns out, it was a lot of fun and very fulfilling to be able to connect with other people on the same journey as me. And here is a snippet of that PC build that I have posted 2 months ago, and do take note of the sound quality of this video. So a bit of a background why we are doing this video. Actually, I want to share with you guys my journey in building my first PC ever after 10 long years. Yeah, you heard that right. I actually built my PC before. That was more than 10 years ago. I was back in university. And during that time, there were not much games that rely on heavy-duty graphics cards yet. And AMD is not one of the well-known brands of CPU, only Intel. It's just so nice to see that we have improved even in the sound quality of our videos. Like you can see here, last time I was just using the microphone on my iPhone. Now we have a dedicated microphone just for our videos. And I know that we'll be able to do some more upgrades in the near future. I thank you, each and every one of you, for all your comments, your likes, and your subscriptions. And I hope that we can all be together in this journey in many more videos and many more years to come. Our channel, MiddleAJ Guy, is not a big channel in every aspect of the word. Of course, we want to grow this channel and be able to reach more people like you who enjoys watching our videos. And with your help by sharing our videos to your friends and families, I know that we can reach our target of 1,000 subscribers here in this channel. And for those of you guys who are watching this video and have not yet subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing and check out some of our other videos. But I know that it's only a matter of time before we get there. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys, all 117 of you guys who subscribe to this channel as of recording this. And for all those of you guys who still want to subscribe to our channel, of course, please feel free to do so, and we would welcome you with open arms here in this channel. You may be a beginner PC builder or maybe an enthusiast in PC building. Everyone is welcome to join and to share their knowledge with each and everyone here in this community. We still have a lot to do to make this channel strong and stable, and I'm excited to see what's in store for each and every one of us in the future. Don't worry, once a new place is ready and I have been able to set up even just a little bit, we will continue and I will give each and every one of you an update on what we are doing on that new place. By the way, here is our current setup here in this apartment. As you can see, the desk is currently in an L-shaped position, but I think on the new place, I will need to reorganize this and make it into a longer table instead. And if you have any suggestions on how I can improve our setup here, maybe some backgrounds or some designs that we can put on our setup, please don't hesitate to put it in the comment section below. And I know guys that you want to see a lot more other things in this channel, so put that in the comment as well. I'm more than happy to read each and every one of your comments and to respond to each and every one of them. So that's it for now guys. Thank you again for watching and keep a lookout for those updates on our setup and our moving to the new apartment. Bye!